National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Gwinnett County, north central Georgia, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado near Beaufort, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Spotters have confirmed that a tornado has touched the ground and has caused damage. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it will be too late to get to a safe place. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-770-486-1133.